New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
North of Ranger, the storm takes form tonight, racing east with destructive might. Stevens and Palo Pinto hear the sound. Dangerous winds are moving through town. The 80-mile winds take cover now. Stay inside and don't go out. Strawn and Mingus hear the call. Gordon, this storm could damage it all.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Lake Palo Pinto,
This severe thunderstorm
storm is near. Mineral wells stay inside here. Along Interstate 20, the winds will roll. Highway 180 and 16 feel the storm. From Strawn to Millsap down to 81. Stay away from windows till the danger is done.